Hi everybody, I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. Today I'm doing a demonstration on the DeLonghi La Specialista Prestigio. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget, subscribe to stay in the loop with what's happening here at Consiglioskitchenware.com. I do lots of reviews, especially on espresso machines, so you're going to learn what machine is best to keep you caffeinated. In today's demonstration, I'll be going over the main features of the machine, which are going to include the sensor grinding technology, the Smart Tamping technology, my latte art steam wand, dynamic pre-infusion where the machine is going to moisten the ground coffee before it brews, which is going to maximize flavor and aroma. The active temperature control the machine has, which produces stability as well as an ideal temperature for your beverage. The machine comes with 3 different temp settings. I like to keep it on high for my preference. And then we're going to end off with the single-walled baskets. This is the double basket, holds 20 grams of coffee. I have the single basket inserted in my portafilter, and this holds 12 grams of coffee. So now let's jump into the fun part where we're going to be making some beverages with this beautiful machine. We're gonna go ahead and make a single shot of espresso. I have my single basket in my portafilter. The sensor grinding in combo with the smart tamping truly streamlines this process. All I have to do is turn the portafilter over to the center and the machine is gonna grind the right amount of coffee at the right grind setting. Machine is now telling me to tamp. This tamping functionality streamlines and it allows for immediate consistency. I've inserted my portafilter. I'm going to use this little espresso tray to accommodate my smaller espresso cup. The dial is selected to espresso. I'm about to hit the OK button. Over here is our gauge. You want the arrow to make its way towards the center. If it stays too low to the left, the espresso is going to be under extracted. If it goes way over, too far to the right, then it's being over extracted. What does the Prestigio come with? It does include a frothing pitcher. You have your single walled baskets. This is your single basket, holds 12 grams. This is your single walled double basket, holds 20 grams. The Prestigio has a few different manuals. My favorite is the Quick Start Guide. In the Quick Start Guide, there's a really easy roast chart, which will help you determine the dose level as well as the grind setting. Today, I'm actually using our own blend of espresso beans. They're not oily, the beans, which is beautiful. If you use oily beans, over time, you're gonna gum up the grinder. All the coffee that we sell at Consiglio's Kitchenware are non-oily beans. This is the medium roast we're using, which means my dose level is gonna be about in this area here, and my grind setting is on grind setting level 4. All right, you have a few other manuals here. There's a more in-depth manual. You have some warranty pages. It includes the scaling powder. This here is a little needle to clean the tip of my latte art steam wand. There's a little brush to clean the tubing. At the start, you'll test what your water hardness level is, so you get 1 water test. And then this is a little cleaning disc for inside of the portafilter. Once you're done cleaning, don't forget you have to remove this. Let's review the control panel. Over here we have the on standby button, coffee dose dial, 2 button to use for 2 coffee filter. Over here we have the coffee temperature button, our OK button to deliver a beverage. Over here is the hot water button, the My button to customize beverage quantity, and this is the mode selected dial. You can choose espresso, Americano, coffee. Of course, you are going to be using your manual steam wand, so you can of course do cappuccinos, lattes, latte macchiatos, etc. manually. And if you turn this dial all the way over, this is the descaling light. The machine does also have additional illuminated lights, And those will appear when the machine needs water, or if it needs to be descaled, or if there are no beans left in the bean hopper. Those lights will illuminate to prompt you. Now we're gonna go ahead and make an Americano. My dial is selected to the center, Americano. I have my cup right over here. And make sure you're putting the cup underneath the hot water spout. And a traditional Americano is a shot of espresso and then a shot of hot water. And this machine is going to do it automatically for us. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make a cup of coffee. I have my dial selected to coffee. I'm actually using my double basket. I've selected the ×2 button. We're gonna go ahead and grind. Next, we're gonna go ahead and make a cappuccino. I've just pulled a shot of espresso, and I'll put that aside. I'm going to get the steam wand going here. And you can see that it's very powerful. This steam wand does have a 3-tip end, so you will achieve a beautiful micro foam. The wand is quite flexible. I have 2% cold milk in my frothing pitcher here. You can use any milk that you like. We're gonna go ahead and start frothing and texturing our milk. I can feel it already warming up. Quite powerful, the steam wand. Steam wands are perfect for producing latte art. You can't really achieve latte art with a carafe, so having a manual wand is beautiful for creating beautiful artwork. I have my shot of espresso, and I can start adding in my frothed textured milk. I'm Chef Angie Consiglio with Consiglioskitchenware.com. I've had a blast demoing this machine for you today. The DeLonghi La Specialista Prestigio is a beautiful machine, especially if you want to practice your latte art thanks to the My Latte Art Steam Wand. The machine does take away a lot of the guesswork thanks to the sensor grinding, smart tamping features. It's a beautiful machine. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at info@Consiglioskitchenware.com. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video and demonstration, give us a thumbs up.